Want to forward Instagram posts to your Telegram groups and channels? Here's how to set it up in under a minute. No code required. First, copy the URL of any public Instagram profile and paste it into the RSS app generator. Save the feed, then click the Telegram icon and log in to your Telegram account. You can choose Only Me to get Instagram posts as DMs from our bot, or add the bot News Alerts RSS to any group or channel. You can even send alerts to a topic. Just make sure the bot is an admin. Once added, you'll get a welcome message, and the group or channel will appear in the dropdown. Select it and click Save. RSS.app will automatically forward the latest 3 posts to test the connection. From now on, every new post will be sent to Telegram the moment it's added to your feed. You can also send older posts manually, replace the source feed, or apply filters. Want more control? Use BotFather to change the bot's name or avatar. In Settings, you can adjust how posts appear, show just the image and title, display the timestamp in the header or footer, or add a custom button like Comment Here, linking back to the original post. And if you ever want to double-check what was sent and when, just open the History tab. Ready to automate your content flow? Try it now at RSS.app.